Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Discord mobile notifications. I will just tap on the Discord and make sure you will have logged in, and I will be just move in the top right bottom corner is option of your profile, and just tap on it the top right corner of gear icon of settings and scroll down to find notifications, and make sure you will just turn it on of these threes of get notification with Discord, turn it on, and integrate calls with phone app, turn it on, and the last is get notification when your friends stream, so turn it on. So make sure you will just have turn it on, and you will just move in the iPhone settings or Android and just find the apps and simply just find the Discord application, and you will just refresh it, live activities, turn it off and on. So in this way you will have to fix Discord mobile notifications easily. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.